and welcome to my show about robot ponies again. So thank you for watching it. Watch this one again. She's supposed to be first.
Brush my hair, my dear minion.
Try to email this to her.
Your love makes me even more powerful. I can feel my magic getting stronger.
And here's the back of her. And her tail. Guys, if you see the same thing at the store because it's real, describe show. So here comes another one. You have to do this. She's more. She's good girl and she's bad girl.
It's time for the princess celebration! Isn't it amazing? Now I have princess wings. Hello, I am Princess Twilight Sparkle.
Behold the power of the Changeling Queen. Soon I'll rule all the land.
Okay, thank you for the show. Describe and show. Thank you for watching my describe.